Here we go. Oh, no, not done with that. Yeah? Right? Yeah. Oh, what are you doing there, buddy? Are you stuck? Okay.
JJ.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, we got the little sleepies going on there.
Yeah, it's good.
I know, he's rubbing his eyes. Oh, yeah, it's almost 7 o'clock. You want to make night-night? Is it night-night time?
Yeah.
Night-night?
Yeah.
Yeah, who's my happy boy? Yeah, is that Dada? What are you and Dad doing there?
We went shopping earlier and we got a car.
Wow, you did boy stuff, huh?
Boy stuff. JJ's really good at boy stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, who's my lovey? Yeah? Yes, that's your sister right there. Yes. And Tommy's tummy.